Look at the first sentence. He gave an enlightening speech. Did he, now again the present form will come, give. Did he give an enlightening speech? Did my father sleep soundly? Did he write a one-act play? Did the men enjoy the party? Did the boatmen row the boat? Did the glider land in the valley? Now come to the past continuous tense. Past continuous tense express an action that was continuing in the past. जो past में continue है, that actions are indicated here. It express an action of longer duration and describe an action which has started at some time in past but had not ended at the time we are referring to. Like, the lady was crying with pain last evening when I visited her. It means the action is crying. क्या कर रही है लेडी? Crying. कब तक? जब तक दूसरा एक्शन नहीं हुआ, मीन्स व्हेन आई विजिटेड हर, तब तक वो क्राई कर रही थी, है ना. तो दिस इज द पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. इन पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ सेंटेंसेस we used to write subject plus helping verb. Now helping verb use here is was or were, and then we used to write the ing form of verb and then object. Now remember, in present continuous tense there was a subject, helping verb is an are, and ing form of verb and object. Now the difference is only here we are using the helping verb was or were. Like, he was sleeping. The emperor was fighting against the enemy to protect the country. Now look at the fill in the blanks. The sheep dash near the river. Verb given here is graze. Because it is a continuous tense, that's why we know that after this subject we have to write helping verb was or were. To see whether the was will come or will come, were will come, we have to check this subject. If it is singular, then was will come. If it is plural, then were will come. So sheep, it is singular, we are writing here was, and then we have to use ing form of this verb. So ing form of graze is grazing near the river. The sparrows plural form. So we have to use were. Chirp. So here ing form will become chirping in the garden. The fans were working properly. The babies plural form were. Sleep है यहाँ तो sleeping in the cot. The ships were, sail है यहाँ पर तो sailing in the direction of the wind. Now if we want to make the negative sentences, then we have to use were not or was not. And in interrogative sentences we have to start the sentence with was or were. Rewrite the following sentences in the negative and interrogative form. Let us see the negative forms. Mona was writing a letter to her brother. Mona was not writing a letter to her brother. Simply you have to write not after was or were. The girl was not sleeping on the sofa. Soma was not solving a jigsaw puzzle last evening. He was not not talking to his friend. Now for making an interrogative sentence, you have to use start a sentence with a helping verb. यहाँ helping verb was आया है तो was से start करेंगे sentence. Was Mona writing a letter to her brother? Was the girl sleeping on the sofa? Was Soma solving a jigsaw puzzle last evening? Was he talking to his friend? Now come to past perfect